71 Ocean View Parade, Charlestown, is positioned directly opposite Kennebia Bushland Reserve, is positioned on a 704 square metre block and offers 4 to 5 bedrooms of level living. It will be ideally suited to the growing family, professional couple or retiree. I'm Anthony Merlo of Colliers Residential Newcastle. Let's take a look. See, the location of this property allows quick, easy access to Cahaiba Primary School, plus the convenience of Charlestown Square and Westville shopping centres. With this level block, it easily will house your boat or caravan, and this property will make the ideal family home. And I can't wait to showcase it to you.